Hello everyone and welcome to another crucial video in the Schengen Visa series. If you're diving into the world of Schengen Visa applications, you know that nailing down your hotel booking is a must to avoid any bumps in the road. Also, let's not forget the crucial step of providing proof of travel or a confirmed return ticket, and guess what? We are going to do it without burning a hole in your pocket. As per Schengen Visa requirements, proof of accommodation is non-negotiable. Now we get it. Plans change, dates shift, and maybe you're not quite ready to commit on a booking just yet. But you need that golden ticket for an appointment, and the last thing you want to do is lose money on hotel bookings. In this video, we are keeping it real on how you can book a hotel without paying a dime. That's right, we're talking no payment upfront, free cancellations, and pay at stay options, so no need to reach out to your wallet just yet. Among countless options available, we've found a sweet spot with these three powerhouses: Booking.com, Hotels.com, and Expedia, because they're reliable, credible, and offer a ton of awesome choices. Number one on our list is Booking.com, a personal favorite. Not only stands out for its diverse options and budget-friendly selections, but also shines when it comes to flexibility due to its free cancellation policies. Booking.com provides a spectrum of choices, including both non-refundable and free cancellation options. A cost-efficient, non-refundable option is ideal for an occasion when our visa is secured and our plans are finalized. On the flip side, the free cancellation option becomes a go-to when we are not ready to commit, anticipating date changes, or simply seeking proof for visa requirements. With the free cancellation option, you get the added benefit of not having to pay anything until the day of your trip. For example, if you book a stay from May 3rd to May 8th, you have the freedom to cancel it without any charges until right before 3rd May. Booking.com's free cancellation is perfect for visa applications. You can book your appointment, and if there's any changes to your plans, no worries. You have the flexibility to cancel or adjust the dates without any charges. Keep in mind that when using Booking.com, they require your card details to be put in, but they won't charge you, especially with the free cancellation option selected. Trust me on this, we've been there, done that, and Booking.com has been our go-to website for hassle-free bookings. Moving on to Hotels.com, they offer similar convenient choices. What sets them apart is the fantastic pay at the property option. Alright, let's break it down for those same dates, May 3rd to May 8th on Hotels.com. Check this out, you've got the green light to cancel for free until 1st of May, which is super handy. Now, when they ask you for card details to lock in for the spot, don't sweat it. No charges are coming your way. This is just to guarantee your booking. You can discover fantastic hotels in here. If you decide to keep the booking, no need to stress. You can breeze through it and just pay at the property when the time comes. It's all about keeping things easy and straightforward for your Schengen Visa accommodation plans. Last but certainly not the least, let's talk about Expedia. The cool thing is it gives you the same sweet options as Hotels.com. So if you're a fan of the pay at the property flexibility and the free cancellation goodness, Expedia's got your back. For those same May 3rd to May 8th dates, Expedia keeps it in line with the Hotels.com. You've got the free cancellation and pay at property option available until 1st of May. Needless to say, the card details here is just for holding the reservation. So there you have it, 3 fantastic options to book accommodations. Choose what works for you. Our personal favorite is Booking.com. Now, let's shift our focus to the travel tickets and explore their crucial role in the visa process. Travel tickets are super important for your visa. They're like a commitment card, proving that you're planning to return as per the visa rules. Whether it's a flight, bus, or a train ticket, having that confirmed return not only checks off your visa requirements, but it also gives a solid backup to your travel plans. Booking travel is one of the most frequently asked questions, as people are hesitant to commit on travel tickets before the visas are approved. The question arises, how do you plan and book your travel tickets without losing money? While there are many options available, let's focus on the most pocket-friendly and safe choices for your visa documentation needs. We have a list of top 3 websites that not only streamline the booking process, but also guarantees that you won't be losing a single penny. Let's start off with Eurostar. First things first, Eurostar connects some of the most iconic cities in Europe, making it an excellent choice for both business and leisure travelers. Let's explore Eurostar's 3 travel options: Standard, Standard Premier, and Business Premier. These choices cater to different preferences and needs. Standard and Standard Premier, both of these are budget-friendly choices, but they come with a non-refundable tag, meaning once booked, your plans are set in stone. So, while they're fantastic and straightforward and even affordable, they might not be the go-to for flexibility for visa-related adjustments. On the flip side, if flexibility is your visa application's mantra, then Eurostar's Business Premier is the golden ticket that you've been waiting for. With this option, you can claim a refund or exchange your tickets up to 60 days after your initially planned departure. That's right, 60 days. It's flexibility taken to a whole new level. Let's cut to the chase. The only hiccup is the cost. I won't sugarcoat it, it's on the higher side, but be assured in Eurostar's fair conditions. Speaking from personal experience, we took the plunge and booked the Eurostar's Business Premier for a visa appointment. Yes, the cost did raise some eyebrows initially, but we decided to trust in the process and the fair conditions, and you know what, it did pay off. We cancelled our tickets only after we received the visas. In a nutshell, Eurostar offers a delightful blend of flexibility with options like Business Premier and budget-friendly choices for when plans are set in stone. And there you have it, a solid, credible solution for your travel document proof on your visa appointment day. Now, let's shift our focus to another fantastic option, ferries. When it comes to travel and visa appointment proofs, ferries offer a unique and budget-friendly alternative. In fact, we managed to travel from the UK to France for under £45 per person using the ferry option. There are numerous ferries that operate from UK to various European countries, navigating through the iconic English Channel. We've used P&O ferries. The availability of choices provides travelers with flexibility to pick routes and services that align perfectly with their itineraries. P&O ferries offer two types of tickets, standard and flexi. Here's a game changer. Flexi tickets come with a full refundable option. We've chosen P&O ferries not once but twice, and each time it has left us with positive impressions. Beyond the commendable services, the cherry on the top undoubtedly was the exceptionally affordable prices. Let's take a closer look at the P&O ferries cancellation policy directly on their website. It's explicitly confirming that if you have a flexi ticket and choose to not use them, you can cancel. Now, if you find yourself still uncertain and have questions, a great tip is to click on the chat services provided by the website. The dedicated customer support is superb and they will guide you through any queries that you have. Moving on to another favorite in our travel playbook, FlixBus. This option has won our hearts for its convenience and cost effectiveness. Let's explore why FlixBus has become a go-to choice for us and how it could elevate your travel game, especially when it comes to a visa appointment proof. They cover a vast network of destinations, making it a perfect choice for exploring various cities. FlixBus takes a unique route from London to France. Instead of using a ferry to cross the English Channel, they go through the Channel Tunnel with the Eurotunnel shuttle, a train service for vehicles including buses. One of the standout features of FlixBus is its affordability, making it a wallet-friendly option for travelers. It not only shines in being budget-friendly, but also excels in providing efficient travel times. It's important to note that they offer a single type of ticket, and if you decide not to use it and wish to cancel, they provide you a FlixBus voucher refund. While they don't have a refundable option in a traditional sense, the voucher allows you to use the credited amount for your next FlixBus journey. Summing up our exploration, we have shown you three fantastic options to book travel tickets, catering not only for your visa purposes but also for your actual travel dates. Among Eurostar, P&O ferries and FlixBus, choosing a favorite is a tough call for us as we use all of these very frequently. Adding two more contenders to our budget-friendly lineup, EasyJet and Wizz Air. While they might not provide refundable options, the consolation lies in their consistently lower prices. Even if the plans take an unexpected turn due to visa delays or rejections, this modest investment cushions the blow. Wrapping up this video, we genuinely hope that this video serves as a valuable guide in your preparation for your travel and accommodation tickets for visa or travel purposes. Stay tuned for more content like this. Thank you for watching.